Are you looking for a cheap and build quality standard prime lens of your DSLR camera? The answer of that, this is the YONGNOU 1.4 focal length 50mm standard prime lens. I'm going to unbox and review about this lens. And here it is. I purchased this YONGNOU 50mm f1.4 standard prime lens from AliExpress with amount of 168 US dollar or 672 Saudi riyals. Normal frame lens is designed for full-frame Canon AF mount DSLR. However, can be also be used with EPC model where is provided an 80mm equivalent for focal length. A micro USB port is incorporated for updating the lens firmware. It have a manual focusing and auto-focusing button. Chrome-plated metal lens mount is durable and accurate for a secure fit with a camera body. A gold-plated contact helps to ensure consistent communication between the lens and camera. Individual glass elements feature a multi-layer coating to resist flare and gushing to improve contrast and color fidelity. The fast of f1.4 maximum aperture offers a great deal of control over depth of field for isolating subject and using selective focus, and also benefits working in a low light condition. A bright normal lens, the Canon EF mount YN 50mm f1.4 from YONGNOU is a versatile prime lens well suited for available light photography in a variety of situations. The fast of f1.4 maximum apertures offer increased control over depth of field for working with shallow depth of field techniques. A DC motor is used for quick and accurate autofocus performance, and dedicated switch lets you quickly change from autofocus and manual focus. Guys, there's a lot of questions that we put in our mind that how can you get your blurry effect of your video, but you cannot achieve this one by using your mobile phone if you're not using your tricks or hacking tricks. But it is about the lens. In front of you I have a lot of lens, but there's only one lens that I have that I can achieve this blurry effect. That is the YONGNOU 1.4 focal lens 50mm standard prime lens. And I would like to explain with you how to achieve this blurry effect, this blurry background. Guys, as you can see here in front of you that I have my 1.4 focal lens, 50mm standard prime lens from YONGNOU. It means to see guys, the lesser number that you have your focal length, the wider aperture. Mean to see the wider aperture, the focal length was been open and the light come through that lens. It means to see that lens you can use in the photography of low light condition. And here is my example of my photography of very low light condition.